guys, welcome to the last week of the NaNoWriMo Prep Course. We have 1 week to go before NaNoWriMo starts. So if you haven't gotten all your ducks in a row yet, this is really the last week you have to start thinking about all these things before you jump in and start writing. Now, if you haven't had a chance to go through all the video lessons and the worksheets this month, I really don't want you to get disheartened. You still have time this week to go through it. And even if you don't, I still want to encourage you to do NaNoWriMo this year. If you watch the videos from week 1, you will know that I'm a massive supporter of NaNoWriMo. I really do believe it's one of the best ways to build a writing habit. So even if you have no idea what you're going to do at this point in time, please don't let that discourage you. The most important thing is just to get into that habit of sitting down in your chair every day and writing a fixed amount of words. That really is what you should be working towards. So even if you haven't had a look at any of the other things, let's just focus on that this week and get you writing. Today's lesson is going to be a really quick one. There's not that much left to say or that much left for you to do. It's really just a matter of quickly discussing habit building, goal setting, and how you can get yourself into that habit of writing every day. But before we get into that, I just want to quickly recap what we looked at over the last few weeks. First of all, in week 1, we just looked at how you can spark creativity and come up with a story idea. We also looked at how you can develop that idea, how you should go about building your world, meaning the setting and time of your novel. We looked at point of view and tense and what you should do to choose which is best for your story. Then in week 2, we looked at how you can go about building characters that are really strong and that pull readers into your book. We looked at how you can use character development questions to develop those characters even more deeply. We looked at writing character sketches and bios, and we also discussed how important it is to do a lot of research so you can have an authoritative voice when speaking for your character. In week 3, we really got into the nitty-gritty of plotting and outlining your novel. This basically entailed fleshing out your story beats bit by bit, starting with a very simple sentence and ending up with a fully detailed plot outline that you can use as a roadmap while you are writing.